Hey lovely people, welcome to Reforms in India. I, Dr. Kapil Kakkar, welcome you to another video of mine where today I shall be talking about an RTI reply which was sent by a corporation, Municipal Corporation of Delhi to a RWA. This RTI reply came to me and I was shocked. And all the RWAs who subsequently would be watching this video would also be shocked at the RTI reply by the Municipal Corporation of Delhi. This is actually very serious, where an RWA, I am not talking about the colony or the place, where an RWA wanted to find out about an illegal construction happening in its colony. So this RWA had filed an RTI, and the reply which they get will actually shock you. You may see that on your screen. Please see the last two lines on your screen. It says, in this regard, it is informed under the provision of RTI 2005, individual citizen of India can seek information and not any RWA society, company, etc. Now what does this mean? It says an RWA cannot seek the information about a construction happening which apparently is illegal construction, and the RWA had asked very simple question: whether the building in construction, was it approved by the MCD? Were all the norms being adhered to? Because they saw and they felt that the construction was not as per the plan. So now the question is, why are societies and RWAs created? Because they are the voice of people, they are the collective voice of people. No individual is going to file an RTI asking about an illegal construction, because nobody would want an animosity, an individual level enmity with anyone staying in that colony. So RWA becomes the collective face of the people, which is representing the people and which is still kind of faceless. So what has MCD done here? MCD has taken that right from the people, because it may be a connivance between the MCD and the builder. It may be the connivance between the MCD and the resident who may be making it for his own use. But what has it done? The MCD, despite knowing there is some apparent illegal construction, has very sweetly protected that builder. Now the question is this how an RTI should be answered? And more important, is this how the rampant corruption is going to spread its tentacles, that it will even leave an RWA or a society powerless, toothless? My question is to all the representatives of the RWAs and all the people who are members of the RWAs, that it is imperative that we all come together and we stop such subversions of justice where the due caution, the due procedures are not being followed. And ये तो चीज बाद में आएगी, but more importantly, a basic reply from the agency has not been answered. So we need reforms, that A, such RTI replies, the people who write such RTI replies should be reprimanded, they should be punished. Moreover, the people indulging in these kind of corruption from the government department should be taken to task, because the people who write the RTI are from the separate department and the people who give them the information are from another department. So both the departments should be taken to task. And this is not only confined to Delhi, it is pan-India. Such things happen, and these government officers, they go scot-free, which is extremely sad. If you like this video, kindly share it far and wide. And once again, all the RWAs, please come together and take appropriate action vis-a-vis the civil authorities. Thank you.